One of the first things we did when we arrived in Mexico is hook our phones up with SIM cards. One a physical SIM card and one an eSIM. 2 phones, 2 experiences. Where'd it go?
Let's start with why you would even want a SIM card while you're in Mexico. If you're Canadians like us, then you're going to find the Mexican phone plans are much less expensive. If you use your Roam Like Home plan from Canada, you're going to be spending about $300 extra a month. No bueno. Our new favorite granola.
Now, if you're only here for a week or so, it might be worth it to spend the $15 a day just not to have to worry about getting another SIM card. But if you're here for longer, we definitely recommend it.
I have an ancient iPhone 8, don't ask. But this one cannot accept an eSIM, so I have to use a physical SIM. The good news is here in Mexico, it's really easy. You can go to any OXXO and they're on every corner and you can buy your SIM card there, or you can order up from Amazon online, although that's a little more expensive, or you can do like we did and just go to a Telcel store. Okay, quick tip. In Mexico, SIM cards are called chips. So when you go into a store, make sure you say chip when you're talking about a SIM card. Buying a SIM card is actually 2 transactions. The first is you buy the actual SIM card. It's very inexpensive, costs about 29 pesos. The second is you buy the plan for the SIM card. So for us that was 3 gigabytes at 200 pesos, also inexpensive. Once you've done both those things, you should be ready to go. In terms of swapping out a SIM card, it's actually really easy. Check this out.
So popping a new SIM card into your phone also means getting a new phone number, so don't forget to tell your friends and family that you have a new phone number. Alright, now let's talk eSIMs. The technology is actually pretty cool. Newer phones have an embedded SIM card that's configurable, which means you don't have to change your phone number or switch out a physical SIM card. The biggest and most widely known provider of digital SIM cards is Airalo, which is who we use. For 3 gigabytes of data in Mexico, it was $21 and it's valid for 30 days.
You know, generally speaking, the setup was pretty seamless. Airalo gives lots of videos and instructional information. That's kind of helpful, but there were a few hiccups. You think it's working?
So that's pretty much it. Both phones are set up well and seem to be doing what they're supposed to. It's definitely worth it to save a few bucks if you're here for a longer stay.